Hi, welcome to this fun tutorial, which will stay in grade while playing, swimming, etc. Part the hair in two and take a piece of hair which you will divide in three strands. Take the outer strand under the middle and then move the top strand to the middle as well. Take in some hair to the outer strand and move it to the middle again. Before you move your top strand, take out some hair and clip it to the side. This is called feathering. Now take in hair and move it to the middle. Repeat these steps, take in hair, then move to the middle, feather the top part, clip it away, take in hair and move to the middle. Continue repeating these steps all the way down to the end and make sure your feathered hair pieces are of the same size. Finish off with a couple of normal braid stitches. Now you will repeat all the steps on the other side of the head, so you will have two feathered Dutch braids. Now we will begin our middle part. Take the top two feathered strands and tie them together with an elastic. Make sure they are in the middle. You can use a clip to make sure all hair stay in the middle. Now take the two second strands and tie them together, also taking in the hair of the first strands. Continue doing so until all feathered strands are taken in. Now tie all hair together and remove the small elastics. Take a little strand of hair, spray this with some hairspray and wrap it around the elastic. Secure it with a bobby pin and your hairstyle is finished. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video.